Hello, today I'm in Renault Kadjar. In this video I'll show you how to activate voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got the voice assistant button. Simply press this button to activate voice assistant.
Which menu do you want to access?
Radio.
You are in the FM radio menu. Which FM frequency would you like to listen to?
Listen to 97.7.
97.7 FM.
And that's it. You can also use voice guidance to make phone calls, activate navigation and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.